So for the next few minutes, please just observe. Whatever you feel, whatever you see, you merely say to yourself, "Oh wow, I can see that. I can feel that." And the more you observe and acknowledge, the deeper you will enter into the healing zone. So keeping your eyes open here, as much as you can without blinking. Even if my own eyes close, please keep your eyes open. Now, if you would please close your eyes. Gently close your eyes and still continue to observe what you are feeling. It is also possible with your eyes closed to see things like lights, even landscapes, people that you know or don't know. Merely acknowledge also the sensations that you feel, whether it's calmness or even if you feel nothing at all. Acknowledge that. But for everyone, there are now powerful healing sensations being experienced in your body with or without your acute awareness of these sensations occurring. In a moment, I will be reciting certain statements that will help you make the right choices in your life to propel you forward toward more abundance at all levels. These statements will also encourage you to make the right choices more often than you have been up to this point. I always decide what direction my life takes, whether it's physical, mental, spiritual, or emotional. I celebrate the positive outcomes of my decisions and adjust any negative areas so that I can continue to move forward with optimism. I love myself completely, and I'm always guided to do only those things that keep me healthy, like eating only healthy foods, avoiding sugar, exercising regularly, and getting enough rest and sleep. The healthier I think I am, the healthier I get. I feel extremely healthy. I feel brand new. I feel wonderful new energy in me, and it keeps me moving. I am as healthy as I possibly can be. Health is in me. I am being healed at this very moment and always, every single day, every single moment. I am happy. No matter what goes on in my life, I face my days in a healthy way and with a bright spirit and with lots of smiles. Health belongs to me. Health is in my life. Health is in my days. Perfect health resides in my body. I always decide what direction my life takes, whether it's physical, mental, spiritual, or emotional. I celebrate the positive outcomes of all my decisions and adjust any negative areas so that I can continue to move forward with optimism. I love myself completely, and I'm always guided to do only those things that keep me healthy, like eating only healthy foods, avoiding sugar, taking time to exercise regularly, and getting enough rest and sleep. Every cell in my body is healthy. My every muscle is healthy. My every thought is healthy and optimistic. All of me is healthy. Yes, I am a perfectly healthy person, and I enjoy living my life. I am healthy. My body is healthy, and my mind is healthy. I have thoughts of wonderful health in my mind at all times. I always consider myself to be healthy, and I always am healthy. I am healthy every day. And the more time passes, the healthier I get. Small pains do not bother me. I am healthy. At the end, I always am healthy and with a joyous mind. My healthy thoughts keep me healthy, and I think like a healthy person. I decide like a healthy person, and I behave like a healthy person. I am healthy. Yes, I am in perfect health. I always decide what direction my life takes, whether it's physical, mental, spiritual, or emotional. I celebrate the positive outcomes of my decisions and adjust any negative areas so I can continue to move forward with optimism. I love myself completely, and I am always guided to do those things that keep me healthy, like eating only healthy foods, avoiding sugar, exercising regularly, and getting enough rest and sleep. Each day is a healing day. Each day is a soul cleansing day. My body has its own rhythm, and it is perfectly good. I heal every day. My body has its own rhythm, and it is in excellent shape. My pains go away, and pure health comes to me. Great health comes to me and I gain strength. Health comes to me and I gain power. My mind and body heal, and I get physically and mentally better and better. I am a magnet that attracts all good things, including a wonderful income, better friendships, closer relationships with my family, my relatives, my friends, and at work. Inside of me, there is a calm and serene world. I have inner peace. I have calm. I have serenity. I am relaxed. My body is beautiful, in good shape, and is relaxed and also ready for action without any problems whatsoever. My mind is free of stress every day. Only good thoughts reside in my head. My muscles are relaxed and I feel healthy, strong, peaceful, purposeful. I feel at one with the universe. I feel calm, happy, and free. I love myself completely, and I'm always guided to do only those things that keep me healthy, like eating only healthy foods, and now, please gently open your eyes. Gently open your eyes and see just how much brighter your surroundings have become, and your feelings of being more hopeful and optimistic about your life. Thank you for helping yourself to heal in all ways possible, physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally.